How much compensation can I expect with a no-win, no-fee lawyer in Queensland? When someone is involved in an accident and sustains an injury and needs to engage a no-win, no-fee lawyer in Queensland, it can create a time of uncertainty in many aspects of life. Questions like, will you recover? What treatment will you need? Can you return to work? How long will you be without income? Or how long will you be receiving a reduced income? Can all be overwhelming. It is therefore natural to want to know how much money you can expect with a no-win, no-fee lawyer in Queensland. Unfortunately, there is no way to give you a certain answer on how much compensation you will get in your no-win, no-fee claim. How much a claim will settle for will depend on the unique circumstances of each case. Once a settlement is reached in a no-win, no-fee claim, it is called a once-and-for-all settlement. This means it is final, and you cannot come back seeking further compensation relating to that matter at a later time. Therefore, it is important that all losses, and as best as you can predict, future losses be taken into account when you reach a settlement. In assessing past and future losses, it is important that your injury is stable. That means it has reached the maximum medical improvement. Basically, it isn't getting any better, and it isn't getting any worse. If you are seeking legal advice before your injury has stabilized and been medically assessed, lawyers have no way of knowing the long-term impact of the injury and will not be in a position to give you that specific advice about the dollar value of your claim. During a claim, lawyers will gather evidence about the impact of the injury and associated financial losses and future losses, as well as any expenses likely to be incurred. Each case is unique and must be assessed looking at that set of circumstances. Once they have this evidence, the lawyer will then be in a position to give you very specific advice about how you would likely be awarded in compensation by a court. A common question people have when contemplating using a no-win, no-fee lawyer is whether it is financially worth pursuing. There are two aspects to this. Assuming you have the right to make a claim. Will you be awarded a sum of money large enough to justify your efforts, both in time and emotionally? And will there be anything left for you after the lawyers and any government refunds are paid? It is common for lawyers to give an obligation-free assessment to look at exactly this issue. While all the medical evidence might not be available at this time, and the lawyers can't give you specific advice, they can make an assessment based on their experience as to whether it is worth pursuing. The lawyers will take your instructions and gather information about the circumstances of the accident, including your injury, cost of treatment, medical prognosis, and the impact of the injury on your ability to work. The lawyers will want to be reasonably confident that your case is worth pursuing before they offer you a no-win, no-fee agreement. It is then up to you whether you proceed or not, and whether you seek a second opinion from another no-win, no-fee lawyer.